There is no indication from the Director of Public Prosecutions, Shalimar Ali Haq, that her office will review the case file involving the policeman who shot and killed Essequibo businessman Orin Boston on September 15, 2021 at his home in Dartmouth. 1 week ago, attorney Nigel Hughes, who's representing the interests of the Boston family, wrote to the Director of Public Prosecutions seeking a review of the manslaughter charge filed against the shooter, policeman Sharon Peters, and urged that the charge be updated to murder. Hughes told the DPP that the statements of the eyewitness and other witnesses to the death of Orin Boston confirmed that circumstances in which Mr. Boston was killed was an act of murder. Now, the DPP has responded to Hughes. In her response seen by Nightly News, DPP Shalimar Ali Haq wrote, quote, "We refer to captioned matter and your email dated January 18, 2022. You are hereby informed that legal advice was given based on all the statements contained in the police file in this matter." Unquote. However, Hughes, on the sidelines of the Diamond Magistrates Court, told Nightly News that if the DPP fails to upgrade the charge, he will be moving to the High Court.
And one of two things will happen. Either we will file criminal charges for murder against the police officer, or we will bring judicial review proceedings against the Director of Public Prosecutions to quash her decision to charge manslaughter and not murder, because the standard operating procedures of the police were clearly breached, and that those are the standard operating procedures for the use of weapons in those conditions. We know for a fact that Mr. Boston was not one of the targets.
The businessman, Orin Boston, was asleep in his bed when members of the SWAT unit barged into his home and shot him dead. The police did admit that there was nothing illegal or contraband found in the man's house. Boston's killing and the manslaughter charge against the policeman has sparked protest action in the Essequibo region of Dartmouth. Travis Chase, HGP Nightly News.